Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming core account access. Log into Roblox with your username and password, and make sure you can open the current Gmail address. Once done, enable two-step verification if not already active. This reduces lockout risk during an email change. Make sure your phone is nearby to accept codes, and keep both browser tabs open, Roblox account settings and Gmail. This immediate setup avoids interruptions, and it ensures you can receive confirmation links and security codes. Now go to Roblox settings and tap account info to find the email field. This is where you enter your new Gmail address. After typing the new email, the site asks you to re-enter your Roblox password to confirm identity. Do that immediately to proceed. Roblox will send a verification message to the new Gmail. Open that inbox, find the message, and click the verification link. Make sure to check promotions or spam folders if the message isn't visible within a few minutes. Finish by clicking the verification link sent to your new Gmail, which finalizes the change. Once confirmed, return to Roblox and refresh your account info to see the updated address. Then log out and log back in using the new Gmail plus your unchanged password to verify everything functions. Make sure to update recovery options in both Gmail and Roblox so you can regain access if needed. If something goes wrong, try resending the verification link. Check spam or contact Roblox support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.